Hello. Today I just installed a new fan in my display. This is the brand. I think the brand is the WeCharger socket fan. It's a 5-blade fan, so it looks kind of like this fan right here. I also got a new light for this fan. I just got I got a new light for this fan. It's got 3 different modes. I can make it really bright or dim. I'm gonna keep it like that. Keep it off. Here's the remote. Okay, this light is gonna keep on, but the light can't get much brighter. I can change the film. I can change the color of the light. Then I can have daylight or soft light. And I can make it brighter. I just have it on dim because that's how I keep my fan up there. So all different light things it can be on. I'll just have it for the spot, in the spot with light for daylight. It's the best monitor right there. Also, you may realize that I've replaced the old fan that was here. The white 6-blade fan that was here before. I took that down and put this up. Then where's the white 6-blade fan that I had before? It's in here now. So I put it in the bathroom because I thought I want a fan in the bathroom. Here's the WeCharger one. It's got 3 speeds, so here's it's on low. This wobble quite a bit of starting up. We'll figure itself out, hopefully. However, it doesn't vibrate, because most socket fans I have, they always vibrate. Well, it doesn't vibrate either. But it does wobble a lot. So I think it's another new wobbly fan on the display. Here's speed 2, medium. And did come with an extender. Of course, I didn't use it. Here's high. I think high for the speed where it doesn't wobble so bad. This wobbles both on low, but it only shakes on high. It doesn't wobble as much on high. Without the light, you would see what I'd light on. It's been get it turned off. It's not reversible. I don't think. Yeah, I don't think it's reversible. It's got a time limit too. This is what the remote looks like. Brand is WeCharger, I think it is. Right here's super high. Thanks for watching. The new addition to my collection.